Hello everyone, this is Muzammil Akbar and in this video I'm going to show you how to install Numpy on Windows operating system. So before installing Numpy, you have to install Python first. And here is the official site where you can download the latest version of Python for Windows. I will give the link in the description, and I have also made a detailed video on how to install Python 3.12 on Windows operating system. So if you cannot install Python first, must watch this video. After installing Python on your operating system, what you have to do is type cmd in search bar and open command prompt. To check Python version here, simply type python space --" version and hit enter. You can see the latest version of Python that you have installed on your operating system is shown here. To check pip version, simply type pip space --" version and hit enter. And this is the pip version. If you might see different pip version here, kindly upgrade your pip version. For this, simply type command pip space install --" upgrade pip and hit enter. So it seems like a syntax error. So copy this command and paste it here and hit enter. Now you can see pip is upgrading and it is successfully installed, and the pip version is 23.3. Now to install Numpy on your operating system, simply type command pip install numpy and hit enter. So what it's going to do is it is fetching files from the internet and install on your operating system. So make sure you have an active internet throughout the installation process. It took some time. Wait for a couple of minutes. And you can see here it is successfully installed Numpy, and the Numpy version is 1.26.1.